Good morning. This is Dr. Michelle Deering of Curative Connections here for another Mothering Motivation Monday. You know, I've been having some thoughts about girls in sports, and given that it's back to school time of the year, I just wanted to share some of those thoughts with you. And as moms, you know, we have a really good opportunity to actually help our daughters if our daughters happen to be involved in sports. And one of the things that I wanted to get across to you today was to remember 5 things. One, as a mom, it's going to be important for you to help your daughter really hone in on her skills development as an athlete in her particular sport, in her particular position. Really help her develop those skills that she'll need to perform in that spot and in that role. The second thing is really monitor and keep track of her practicing effort. How much effort is she putting in to practice, at practice? Okay, coaches watch that kind of stuff. And that's important because how you practice in practice is really going to show up when you're actually in a game or match situation. The third thing that you as a mom can help your daughter with is helping her learn how to opt out of drama. You know, you get a group of girls around and drama is likely to happen. Really just focusing on your daughter and helping her navigate whatever dynamics are going on in the team so that she can actually be a contributor in a positive way to the team's dynamics. The fourth thing would be helping her do what I call responsible goal setting. And all I mean by that is if she says that she wants to play more in a game or improve in a particular area, hold her accountable for doing those things on a daily basis that will move her towards achieving that goal. It doesn't mean being a dictator over her or anything like that. It just means, you know, asking her periodically, well, have you worked on X? Or have you done this? Just to keep that in the forefront of her mind so that she'll know that these are the things that she needs to do to move towards her goal. And then the last thing would be, as a mom, helping her learn how to talk to her coaches. Because coaches, they're in a different mindset. And your daughter will need to know how to communicate with them in a way that gets across to them that, one, she is a team player, and two, she's really concerned and interested in and vested in helping the coach move towards the coach's goals for the team and to contribute in a way that will help towards that end. So, again, as a review, as a mom, help her with her skills development, help her practice in her practicing effort, help her opt out of drama and be responsible in her goal setting, as well as learning how to talk to coaches. And as I was thinking about this, just as a side note, you know, everyone knows that the statistics of tween girls dropping out of their sport by the time they're either in high school or in college, they do that 6 times more often than boys do. And it got me thinking about, you know, girls in STEM and how even though we're making progress in getting girls acclimated and involved in science, technology, and engineering and math, you know, there still is a gap that has to be made up between their performance in those areas. And in my household, we always talk about sport is life, and there's lots that we can learn from sports. So if you have a daughter who's involved in STEM or is aspiring to do that, these same principles can help her to develop her skills, whether it's in math or science or in her analytical thinking. Make sure that she's putting forth consistent effort in going through the process of learning new information and absorbing it and applying it, helping her opt out of the drama that might be occurring when she encounters people who might not think that she's capable, okay, not get caught up in that. And then also help her to set goals for herself in terms of mastering, whether it's a particular principle or theory or application of her skills, And then teaching her how to talk to her teachers in a way that engages them in letting them know that she is serious about this particular pursuit of hers in the science, technology, engineering, and math. So, sport is life, life is sport. Really, moms, you're there. You can help your daughters excel and exceed in their particular sport and or chosen science, technology, engineering, and math skills. All right, this is Dr. Deering for Curative Connections here on Mothering Motivation Monday. I'll see you next week. Take care.